morning, all. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Friday. And we're now at the 30th of April, last trading day of the month for 2021, about 8:30 a.m. Central Time. Well, as you can see, the stock market down across the board. The only market that has been acting bullish is the S&P in terms of making new highs. The other indices have been sinking back. Most are down to their 18-day average of closes, where I'm going to look for the market to decide, is there another leg to the downside, or is this where the market wants to hang around for a bit? I'm always fearful of sell may go away for part of the summer. It hasn't changed my opinion. I have to mention it. In the energy markets, backing off a little bit. Still, I look at it, these prices are fairly high when you're getting up to $68 in the Brent. However, if you take a look at what's going on in Europe, I get it. And the reason I get it is Germany, I think they vaccinated on Wednesday 1.1 million people. That's a new record for them. So things are rolling there where they're getting the vaccines out again. In the natural gas, we are back up with what we lost almost yesterday. Bonds and notes stable. In the grain market, a little bit of everything. The markets to me act a bit heavy there, as though they want to correct a bit more. The dollar getting a bounce against especially the euro currency, but the euro's down to an important area for those of you that get my morning subscriber video. Now, in terms of data, we got personal income and consumption. And look at this, the income, month over month, up 21%. Now, a lot of that's got to be these payments that came from the government, so beware of that. Then we get consumption spending, where you get the money, you spend the money, and that's exactly what's going on here. What the government also looks at, the Fed, will be the core PCE price index. They have to like that. It's up 3 times what it was the month before. It's in line on the year over year with what the market was doing. The employment cost index, they want to see some inflation pressures. Well, they're getting it there. It's up 0.2 more than what was expected. If you look at Chicago's PMI, that should be out about now, in another 15 minutes from now. Is what I'm getting at. So we'll see what that does. University of Michigan Consumer, final April sentiment indices will come out at 9 o'clock. And in China, the National Bureau of Stats showed that their official PMI came in more than expected to the downside, a drop down to 51.1. They were looking for 51.6. So it's still growth, but it's slowing a little bit. Now, one of the things I want to remind you, I start you off every morning with these trade ideas, not just here, but by the time I'm doing these 3 hours ago, I had already recorded approximately 3 hours ago my ideas as to what you should be buying, selling, where to put the specific orders in, why, with chart pictures of it, reasons behind it. I've already covered 3 hours ago with my subscribers all the information you just saw and more. They get more than you do each morning. But that's the game plan. And I do talk longer term. I go off the weekly charts, and shorter term. So I'm giving you everything. Will every trade be a winner? Of course not. You're going to have losers. Are you going to have winners? Of course you will. It goes both ways, all right? Been doing this a long time. But it's not about my track record. It's about you with your ideas. Why? The whole purpose is, it may be you're on the sideline and you want to do something in metals, grains, currencies. And you're going, I wonder what Ira thinks as a chartist. Boom, it's there for you. And I recorded 5:40 a.m. daylight savings time. It's there for everybody at the right time. The price of coffee, that's basically how I price this. $7.95 for the first 30 days. After that, it's $15 a month. You get each month for this subscription alone 6 videos a week. All you need is one idea to make it worthwhile to you. All right, and I think I'll offer that much more than one idea to you. So how do you find out about it? Well, you can call my staff. You can go to our website. I've created an intro video for you under the word research and the morning subscriber video. I also do a spider video. You might want to look at that as well. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a good morning. I'll talk to you all tomorrow.